When you're done cleaning, if you're as awesome as I have said you are, you will want to do a standard end of shift maintenance. Making sure your equipment is properly maintained at the end of your shift will help keep your machine at optimal performance and will also make sure you remain popular in the break room. First, empty the recovery tank. Remove the recovery tank drain hose and then crimp the end of the hose. Crimping the hose will help you control the water flow out of the recovery tank. Now, rinse out the recovery tank with a spray hose and wipe it clean as necessary. This would be a good time to remove and clean the debris tray. If you have a cylindrical unit, make sure to clean the scrub head debris tray as well. The float shutoff screen should be checked at every dump and refill. Remove it and rinse it clean. When you're done cleaning the recovery tank, debris tray, and float, leave the lid open. This will allow the recovery tank to quickly dry and avoid smelling like my kids' hockey team's locker room. It's a good idea to drain the solution tank every day too. Just remove the side tube and carefully lower it to a drain. When the tank is empty, reattach it to the machine. You can do this at the same time you drain the recovery tank. After every shift, the squeegee should be inspected and cleaned. Use the same steps we covered for changing the squeegee blade. If the squeegee was not performing as you would expect, try flipping or replacing the blade. Make sure to clean the P-trap. You can do so by turning the P-trap knob a quarter turn and remove the debris. Check your pad drivers and brushes for wear or debris caught in the bristles, just like during setup. At the end of each day, you should inspect and clean the scrub head skirt. The last item on your list is to charge the batteries. This should be done at the end of every cleaning shift to maintain both the batteries and your awesomeness. Just plug it into a properly grounded wall outlet. The charger will automatically begin charging and shut off when the batteries are fully charged. You will know it's charging as the battery indicator lights ripple back and forth during the charging cycle. When charging is complete, all 5 lights repeatedly flash 2 times. Now you can unplug the cord and wrap it around the cord hooks. To maximize the runtime and life of the batteries, make sure the batteries are completely charged before using the machine. You've now learned the basics of successfully operating and maintaining your Tennant T600 and T600E floor scrubber. At Tennant Company, we know clean buildings are important. We all need clean hospitals to give people the confidence in the care they receive, educational facilities to optimize learning, and clean stores to encourage customers to shop longer and more often. We also know that buildings don't clean themselves, and the care you take every day enables people to be their best in the spaces you make clean. We hope the work we do to create efficient and effective cleaning equipment helps make your tough job just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and thank you for what you do.